Alright, clearance, new lower prices at Lowe's. I just uploaded a video a few days back. So many deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribe and like, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the Linux on sale. It says Power Blast technology lasts longer. These are really good blades. Definitely recommend, especially for that price. It's a killer price. $19.98 down to $14.97. This is a 15 or speed knit insulated 3-pack XL gloves. You guys are gonna see it right there. Pretty nice gloves dipped in rubber, I believe. You got this one. Yeah, this is one we see in every store. It's available. It's a really good deal. It does include a battery charger. $79. That's a really good deal for that kit. A toolless blade change, as you guys see the lever. That is the corded version, so $69 if you like cords. Definitely recommend the cordless over the corded, so $10 more. Great deal on that. $99 for the reciprocating sawbar tool. I do apologize for the train. There's a train going by. $129 regular price. And that's the way these some of these deals look like. Sometimes they have them in these center caps on the front. $104 for the brushless hammer drill kit. It does include 2 batteries, so that's a really good deal on this one. If you like, if you have to drill into concrete, you got a reciprocating saw, $83. We always seen this at this price. All right, we got the Cirque Saw here, 7 1/4, $59. This is, I believe, this is a corded Cirque Saw, but I don't understand. This one says V20, so it's cordless. So I don't know if this is in the wrong section or what's going on with that. So a 1/4 inch die grinder, $98. It's on clearance. I'm pretty sure it's gonna drop even more, so make sure you guys pay attention to these die grinders, especially if you're on the line. I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna pay $98 for that. You got $69, was $99. This is a 4.5 angle grinder, Craftsman brushless 20-volt max angle grinder. Regular price $99. $83 for that reciprocating is the same thing. They didn't have in here for that angle grinder. They had the older ones. $55 was $79 for the impact driver. This is a brushless impact driver. It's a killer deal on this one. So if you're able to find it at your store, make sure you guys pick it up if you're on the line. $59 for the impact driver. This is the non-brushless, which is a regular brushed. $90 for the kit. Regular price $129. Then you got the SDS hammer drill, a rotary hammer, $83. And you got the Craftsman 3/8 brushless impact wrench, $69. That's a really good deal on that. $51.90, $57 for the impact driver kit. Yeah, lots of good deals. The regular drill driver is $83, and then $59 for the brushed. So $59 for the regular price, $79, and then that's the brushless drill driver for $83. Obviously, that's the best way to do it. That was the kit that was on $74, but now they raised up the price. I don't know why. Or $9.98 for the 25 feet auto lock tape measure was $12.98. And then got this one. This was $14.90 down from $19.98. 35 feet high visibility. You got these guys. These are on sale for $5. I believe not at this store, but there's almost all the stores are $5. I ended up picking one of each. I'll show you guys later on this video. But yeah, guys, these are really good deals on these for $5. And then got this one. This one's a really good deal. $9.98 for the 3-pack folding hex key set. And it does include a star set there. There's the star set there. And it tells you the different colors and it tells you the shape on the side. If you guys see SAE and metric for the hex. And then you got metric on the blue. So that's really nice. Really handy little tools to have. Alright. This is the next Lowe's. I was going to say Home Depot. The next Lowe's that we're going to be going to. 7,000 lumen cobalt work light, 34.97, 69.98. It's very interesting. This one's 7,000 lumens. So really powerful light. It is a plug with an extension cord, I guess. Alright, $14.98 was $19.98 for the 100-piece drive set. Now, this is a really nice set, guys. It does include those security bits. Really hard to find. Sorry about the image. I wasn't able to get a better image. And I was trying to scan this, see if this was the one that was on sale. It's not. It's already out all over the valley here. The one that's on sale, it's $119, not $129. So yeah, I missed out on this one. A lot of you got them, but you got 40 volt max. This one's on sale on clearance too. Not at this store, but it's $2.99. Sometimes you guys are able to find it close to $100. This one's down to $30 from $69. This is an extension powered string trimmer, 18-inch cut. So if you guys don't want to spend money on batteries, that's a way to go for it. Very inexpensive. Okay, 109. This is a Eagle 25-inch trimmer. 109 tool only. There was one up there. I did not get it because I'm not in that line. Plus, I already have an Eagle. Not an Eagle, but I have a trimmer. 100 quart clear storage container, 23. Guys, some of these containers are really cheap, guys. I'm just showing you guys what I see here. But yeah, some of them are like $3, $2, $1. I believe some of these were like $3. So make sure you guys look around. Go to the container section. See if you guys see any like this one. This one's $12.98. Sometimes we see it down to $3. This one's down to $7. I believe there weren't not any here. Some of these are pretty big for even $3, $7, pretty big. So you got a 3-pack battery combo kit, $149 down from $169. They did lower the price on this. So it's a really nice kit. Just that 8 amp hour battery by himself, it's worth it. Guys, these are on sale, guys. There's that one for the $32 one. That's actually the one I just bought. That one. That thing's amazing. It's much faster. It gives me much faster Wi-Fi than my regular internet. And then that one's $39. I actually came for that one, but I found the other one that was a model better, and that it was down to $32. So I ended up getting that $32. That thing's a beast, guys, for Wi-Fi, especially for uploading these videos, guys. Sometimes I take up to 6-7 hours uploading a YouTube video. Can you guys believe that? That's crazy. Well, these do help on that. Maybe reduce it by a few hours there. So I must have some of those. These are on clearance. I just want to show you guys what's out at the store. It's a Craftsman Mower. Pretty good price for just a brand new, just out of the box mower. Somebody just returned it probably. $200 for this one. This one was $249. And you guys see it there. This one's a little better model actually. This one's 7.25 horsepower. Alright, so this one's price on clearance. Did not see this in stock. Somebody already picked it up. $139 down from $299. That's a killer deal. Yeah, just an amazing deal on that one. And the price, guys, some of these prices are going down to $32. So make sure you guys check your lows. Some of these batteries are $32. If you're in this line, make sure you guys pick up those batteries. So you have extra batteries. If you have those mowers, those weed whackers, pick them up. So now's the time to stock up on those batteries. You got this chainsaw, $59. 14. I don't know if this is a clearance price or not. It says everyday low price, but it was a yellow tag, so I kind of was debating on whether to show you guys. This one's $23.97 for the chain and bar combo. There's a 16-inch. And then they got the 18-inch. So if you want to upgrade your little chainsaw, put a new chain on that, make it a bigger. Like I'm probably planning on putting a bigger bar on my chainsaw. So got a carry-on bike rack, $66. These are going on clearance. So carry-on trailer, universal lightweight 2-bike rack. If you guys need these, make sure you guys pick them up. They're starting to show at the Lowe's on clearance. So that's what it looks like right there. These are huge boxes. Then they got these winches, guys. If you guys are going into off-roading like ATVs, motorcycles, side by side, $67. That's a really nice set there. Even for a smaller rig, that'll definitely help you out. You got a 100-pound deluxe steel folding cargo carrier. $100 was $139. Some of these are going cheaper, so make sure you guys look around. And this, yeah, guys, still $59. I'm waiting for this to drop because I wanted to get this for lower because I do need one of these eventually on my projects. But hopefully it'll drop. And then this one's $349. Yeah, guys, some of the stores had them for $279. This one has it for $349. So make sure you guys check it out. Even at $349, it's a killer deal, guys. It's a 5-piece set. It does include the triple hammer, the brushless. They're all brushless tools. Then this one's even a more killer deal. $149 for 2 tools, 18-bolt tools, and then you get the triple hammer. Crazy deal there. So definitely check that one out. $159 for this one's on clearance. I believe this one was been there since like last year. That's what they had last year for the holidays, I believe, for the Black Friday. I can't remember exactly. And then they have this one for $158. This brushless reciprocating saw operated tool. Regular price $179. And then they got this one. I believe they had this on the buy one get one free. So you buy this and you get a free tool. I don't know if they're still running this or not. I would have to check. Then they got the angle grinder. This is the Performance Protect angle grinder. $158. I'm pretty sure these are going to drop. A lot of you guys are not going to want to buy those at $158. $798 for the Irwin 6-piece spade bit set. That's it right there. Speed bore. Then they got these power cap headlamp in a hat. This is a 2-pack, so it comes 2 in there. $34.97. The power cap beanie. It says 4 ultra bright LED. So then you got this welder, guys. If you guys are into welding, a lot of you guys ask me, where's the welders? Well, here's one. You got the Lincoln. $739 down from $799. So that's a really good deal on that. Getting a few bucks off on this one. And that is the angle grinder, $69.30 down from $99. That's a really good deal because they're brushless. Then they got the impact driver, brushless, $55. And I believe I must have missed and matched the stores. So this is probably another store. I must have, mixed with the first store with this store. So disregard that. These are just different stores. $99 for that one. It's a brushless impact driver drill driver. That's a really good deal on that one. For $99. Brushless tools. 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. Yeah, charger and a bag. Yep, 210C2. 210C2. Or actually, yeah, I believe that's not the right one. I thought that was the right one. You got a 40-piece there, $39.98. Yeah, the one that's probably on sale is not the brushless. You got $83 for the sock, 83-piece. $59.98. And then you got this Lufkin 30 feet tape measure, $787. Then the Lufkin there, $387. The Legacy tape measure, 25 feet, was $898. Then they got these for $2, $287, down from $769 to 18 feet, I believe. Yeah, 18 feet or 16 feet. Legacy series. So you guys need inexpensive tape measures. There you go. That's a 25 feet. So pretty good deals on these. And they got this Craftsman metal Sawhorse, $14.98, down from $21.98. And they got these toolboxes, really nice toolboxes. Make sure you guys check out them, because they might drop in price even lower. You got a 41-inch 6 drawer. It says $289 for the top, $389 for the bottom. Down from $469. And it's a 10-drawer cabinet. Alright, here's the next one. I believe this one's a 52. Got 9-inch deep drawers for the power tools. You got 52-inch 8-drawer chest, 10-drawer rolling tool cabinet. That's the bottom one. So you get a total of 18 drawers. And you got $439 for the bottom, $299 for the top, $738 total. 100-pound soft close. So you got 30-piece combination rank set, $19.98. Cobalt. They got some noise canceling Bluetooth headphones here, $27.97. So pretty nice. I guess they're for work. That's what they're advertising. They are Bluetooth. Let's look at the box here. It says Yardwork Construction, Home Improvement, OSHA compliant. So these are noise canceling, and these are the ones that are $5, guys. Yeah, like I said, down for $14.90. That's a really good deal on these. $5, crazy deal, or actually $6. But yeah, I think it's a really good deal, especially if you just have them in the truck just in case. You never know when you're gonna need those. And then you got the you got different ones there. You guys could look at while you're in the section here. And that's the way it looks. I actually ended up taking this one home, so pretty nice. It does have the numbers there on each one. Guys, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one.